What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video on learning PHP. My name is QDS Danny and you guys are watching my channel Crywood. Alright, so in the previous video we have shown how to guys create a message if your image is okay, or if you guys have an error, then you guys gonna display here. So every time you download, if the user is already uploaded this one, so you guys gonna give alert to user, so the user is not gonna download this one. You guys it would be nice if you guys put this inside the script, so there is the alert. For example, it pops up on the screen, let the user know that the image is already there, or if the image is not okay. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you guys going to rep your PHP with the HTML. How you guys going to rep this one, for example, around here, how you guys going to rep HTML. So if you guys look in here, inside here, our PHP runs from here all the way here, but not inside the image. But if you guys look in, there is no PHP here, PHP is here, but inside the source we have embedded PHP inside, like engraved PHP. That's how you guys see this image in here. So we can do vice versa. We can do exactly the HTML we can embed inside the PHP because they are both interchangeable. We can do that. That's why PHP is very popular language, because you can do anything you guys want. Beside, you guys can put a photo, you guys can put anything. So instead of say image is okay, you guys, why not you guys just display your message? We can do this. Okay, so now we say, for example, if image is for example, if it's false, then we can come here, bring our PHP here, and we can upload here. So now, for example, now if I copy all my PHP and I remove it from there, for example, if I remove all the way my PHP from there, and if I can bring, because that's all is all here, you guys can leave it here, because all you can see your message is there, or you guys can do differently. For example, if you guys can come here, it says media left, we can bring all our PHP here. But the only problem is here, because now all our photos gonna be shown inside this div. So and we can we try that, we just try to solve that problem as well. So for example, if check image is not false, then instead of say echo image is okay, then we can bring the entire image there, and we're going to say echo, for example, and we can do img where it says all the way here. Then we stop that one here, then we copy this part, and we gonna put it here. It says echo string. We don't want string, we want this one here, so half of this is here. Then you guys need to, so here I'm looking only for one. Then you guys need to concatenate this one, and I'm gonna put a 2 concatenation here, and I'm gonna put a 2 here again. Why I'm putting here 2? Because I just put it for height and width for the image, so all of them is gonna come here. The rest is I'm gonna put is inside here, and where it says the file name, I'm gonna put the file name in there. So what I'm going to do inside the both concatenation, so that one's gone, that one's gone, so I'm going to put where there's a 2 line here, I'm going to put my file. You guys can do this. Look at this, this is amazing. That's the power of PHP. You guys we bring everything here, and instead of outside, we look in here. Now we are not going to say this is image or whatever, we are just going to display our image. So if image is okay, otherwise image is not okay, only the JPG image is accepted. So now you guys need to bring this one inside where it says echo. We're going to bring this one inside alert. So how we going to see alert? You guys can see alert inside the JavaScript, if you guys know the JavaScript. So we're going to put a, say for example, alert. My image is not okay, so we're going to copy everything, all this message here where it says echo. So I'm gonna copy all this message, and I'm gonna put it inside the alert. So you guys need to put a script, and I'm gonna put a script, and then you guys need to put end script. That's your end script, and in between you guys need to put alert. and in here you guys need to close. And now you guys need to keep in mind, when you guys use double quote here, you guys can use double quote here. And if you look in here, we have a double quote, we have a finished double quote, then we put a PHP code, and we put a double quote, and we put a double quote here. It means there is a problem now with our double quote, because our style is taking double quote, and there is a double quote here. So now we have to change this one to put a small single quote, and we put a single quote here. If you guys do this, you guys good to go. Keep in mind, because like electricity, if you have electricity plus and plus, it's gonna backfire, or it's gonna be minus minus, and it's gonna take. So if you have a double quote, then you can't have another double quote, because PHP is going to read from here and it's going to read from here. But if you guys got say style or something width or something, you guys need to put it inside the single quote. You guys even don't need, if you guys want to change this one, say for example, you guys even don't need the style here with the PHP, say for example with the HTML, because HTML has also got a width and height. So all you guys need to do is just remove this one, and where it says 130 px, and just put a equal, just remove this 130, because we are not doing CSS anymore. So when you guys remove the CSS, you guys just put an equal sign and remove all this. So now you guys are CSS free. Now you guys, that's exactly the same as before, and you guys need to remove this P as well. So now effectively this is 130 by 130, but with the exception is that we are not using CSS. Okay, you guys can put this one here, and where it says alert, and you guys need to put your message that this is not this is not. So I'm going to put inside the alert, because I have double quote, I'm going to put a single quote. I'm going to put a this is this file is not allowed, for example. This file is not allowed. Okay, so, and you guys need to put another one here. You already uploaded this image, so you guys can put another alert here. For example, this file is not allowed, you already uploaded this image. You have already uploaded this image or file, whatever. Now if you look in here, our code was a little bit complicated than before. Before was we actually dealing with the PHP and the HTML like two different entities, but now we are effectively we are doing interchangeable. We are interchanging this one, we are embedding that one to that one, and that one to another one, PHP to HTML, HTML to PHP, and we bring in JavaScript as well. So if you look in here, we have a script here, and now it's going to give us alert. And if you look in here, now we have echoing. This part is say for example HTML, our bootstrap, whatever, and this part is as well, but this part is the PHP. Every time you guys need to make the PHP and make sure you guys put a concatenation, so the PHP reads that, shows your message and shows this HTML as well. Alright, so now we're gonna try to go and upload a file which is not a JPG or anything, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so now I have to, and you guys see, look in here, there you have already uploaded this image. So when the user sees and it alerts, the user quickly stops and gonna think that, oh, I already uploaded this image. Okay, so now we're gonna come here and we try to this one. It says docs. If the users, we have a very smart user who wants to test our website, and we're going to say, all right, you can test our website, and the user is going to put a .docs extension. It means that's Microsoft Word, so it's a docs. It's not a JPG or JPEG or anything, but it's docs. But our website only accept the photos here, image, but you're not going to accept this one because this one looks ugly here. We don't want that. So as soon as user try to do, and we're going to say this file is not allowed. It means we're not going to let the user come and upload anything here, because now look at here, our script has gone. It's not going to let the user to come here and upload whatever the user wants. keep in mind your security starts with you guys. If you guys think that the file is not good, it means you're not going to let the user come and upload the photo here, anything that is not allowed. So for example, now if you guys want to bring this photo of the girl, and you have already uploaded this photo, but now we're going to show the photos of the girl. How cool is this? We already let the user know that you have already uploaded, so it's up to the user what the user wants to do. If the user wants to say, okay, I uploaded, I'm going to do that, that's fine, that's fine. Otherwise, if the user goes ahead, we're going to show. Otherwise, if the user is not going to go ahead, so we are not going to show. So if you guys look in here, how cool is this? As soon as the user going to come in and is try to be smart with us, for example, if the user tries to come here and try to upload the docs file, we are not going to let the user upload this file. We only use the, for example, PNG file, JPG file. They are very good innocent files. But keep in mind, some of the docs or some of the other file system, it contains some viruses sometime, because CSV files are very dangerous files. JavaScript files are very dangerous files. You do not let the user come in upload anything it wants. You guys try that on your Facebook, or you guys try that on Twitter, and you see that Twitter and Facebook is going to throw you out, because they only likes to upload PNG is good, and JPG or JPEGs is they are very acceptable extensions of the photos, but other than that, they're not acceptable. So now you guys seen here, effectively we have created very sophisticated script here, PHP script. Now that instead of going there, we have now we're going to display all our images inside the script. And for example, you guys gonna come put another one here. Then you guys want to check the size. Say for example, you guys need to put a check size, and as I explained to you guys can put a hidden here as well, but you guys can actually display the error, for example, to the user. It says if the size exit. Say for example, if you go come here and put another condition, you guys can put a lot of condition. Say if file exists, you guys gonna say, for example, if file, if you guys remove this, and it's you guys can put if files, and then what's the variable, and then we're going to say our variables is image, and then we're gonna, as I said to you guys, this is associative. It's called size in PHP. There's another array in PHP. This associative arrays of arrays. So there is another one you guys inside already built. It says size. It checks the size. If it's size, what size? If it's say for example greater than, say for example 3 megabytes, or for example 3 megabytes, so it's gonna be 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. If it's 3 more megabytes, then you're going to say this file is sorry, your file is too large, your photo is too large to upload. You guys then say try smaller photos, for example. So that's 3 megabytes, for example. Now we don't have any file that is more than 3 in my computer, so I'm gonna put it, say for example 1 megabytes, or for example I'm gonna put say 100 kilobytes. 100. Don't put this one, so because this is too small. All our files are like more than 100 kilobytes. Just keep in mind, it's KB, it's a kilobyte. But if we are talking about the megabytes here, we are not talking about kilobytes. So we just want to test if our file is, if this function is working. So we put a files, and we're going to check that one's image, and after that we're going to check if it's file upload, and then we put a size, and we check the size is 100 kilobytes, because all our files, our photos are more than 100. So we're going to prevent the user not to upload anything more than this. So we're going to come here and test. It says in line 97, and expected this one in line 97. Okay, where is the 97? The 97 is here. So it says image, then you guys need to put a double image. Okay, so there is two of these. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it back and I'm gonna test. You have already uploaded this image, means okay, and it's not showing us because we're gonna try again. And if we try to upload a file which is more than 100 kilobytes, and for example this one is I think it's more than 100, you try to upload, your photo is too large, you try too large to upload, try smaller photos, because now our photos exceeds 100 kilobytes. Keep in mind, you guys, this is very low. If you guys put in your website, then there's no one in this planet can upload any photos, and I guarantee you, because every photos gone are the days of 1990s, 1995, 1996, when I used to learn programming. I learned programming, and we used to negotiate for like 50 kilobytes. The photos used to be 50 kilobytes, or say for example 40 kilobytes, and we could dream like coming to 100 mg. Gone are the days, but nowadays every single photos is going to be at least 1 megabytes or 2 megabytes. So now we're going to put a 5 zeros here to make it look like it's a 5 megabytes. The reason I did 100 kilobytes is just to show you guys, so for you guys, so the user is not going to come here and upload a very big large files. But if you guys gonna go, say for example Lotus, for example, now we put a 5 megabytes, you have already uploaded this image, it means yes, we have already, but we're just gonna let the user know that the user has already uploaded this one. Other than that, everything is fine, because we don't see any error here around here, all good. So in this I'm going to recap again. In this video we have learned how to put all our PHP script inside here, inside the bootstrap, inside the HTML, and you guys looking here. So we have put a 3 condition. The first condition, if if everything is good, if within the limit, then show our photo. You guys can do this one. Otherwise, show alert. And if this file already exists, show this alert. Otherwise, go ahead. And if this file is like sees this one, then you show error. That's how it is. Now our website looks more cool, more sophisticated, and look here. If everything is good, then we're gonna upload. Otherwise, we won't upload. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. If you have any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.
Do